And there are two things. We are saying that research methodology, but there is also a word research method or methods. Okay. So what is the difference between methodology and method? So from the name suggests, this is method and this is methodology. Methodology refers to the research strategy or and rationale of your research. That means I already said that how you are going to and why you are going to solve, use this technique or tools to address your research question or address your research objective. And developing a research methodology involves studying the research methods used in the field, in your field, and the theories or principles that underpin them in order to choose the approach that best matches of your objective. So this is very important. Methodology, it includes everything from the beginning to the end. But method, it means by what? Methodology, we can tell this is how you are going to address the research question or research objective. But if we say by what means by using what, by using what method, by using what tool, by using what technique, by using what algorithm or what model, which theory. So these are the we can say, okay, roughly these are the method. So methods are the specific tools and procedures you use to collect and analyze data. That means, okay, you are using interviews, okay, you are performing your research, okay, by interview, or you are doing experiment, or you are, okay, doing survey, or you are doing any statistical test. So whatever, okay, technique, whatever tools, whatever model you are using, this is called method. But methodology, how you are going to solve it? Just for example, if we go for any specific example, it will be more clear. Am I right? Can you hear me? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Please respond with me so that it will be more clear, because if we see example from paper, I think it will be more clear. Am I right? So I am going to give you an example from a published paper, so it will be more clear. So can you see the title? Can you see the title,
Yeah,
please?
it's clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear.
An approach for multi-class skin lesion classification based on ensemble learning. The thing is that we are going to detect, okay, the initial level cancer. This is called skin lesion using ensemble learning. So if we go to the methodology section, just for example, in our generally in engineering research or scientific research, we propose our idea in using a graph. But in other cases, like in case of social science or in case of other field, they don't generally they don't use any methodology. They generally explain the data collection method or technique like this. But in case of engineering research, we specifically present our idea, okay, using a figure. So the important thing is that when you are going to start a research, and you say that the main contribution of this research like this. Just for example, if I again go here, see. So in the highlight, we highlighted our contribution. Like a deep learning based diagnosis system is proposed. The proposed system identifies 7 kinds of skill lesion. The fine tuning is applied to 5 different state-of-the-art convolution network. And the proposed system outperforms all existing system. And in the abstract and in the introduction section, we try to highlight that, okay, what are the contribution of this work. Okay, sometimes we present them in a point wise. Okay, sometimes we present them in a paragraph. So now come to the point. When we present, here our target is to detect the skill lesion. So this is our target. So methodology will include everything. That means every single steps. That means whatever you are doing. Just for example, we are taking input image, then we are using pre-trained model, Then we are using the global averaging pooling. You don't need to understand. Maybe this lecture will be viewed by students from sociology, from education, from chemistry, biology. I am requesting them, don't need to understand this thing right now, but for the sake of understanding what is the difference between methodology and method, you need to understand this figure. Okay, just understand the figure, don't need to understand the global averaging, pooling, best normalization, dropout layer, dense layer. Okay, again dropout layer. What I am trying to say here, see, this is the neural net we have used to complete this research. But again, see here, the total proposed methodology. That means we take the input image, then we eliminate the noise, then we resize the image, and we then again apply data augmentation, and again we use different machine neural network model, ResNet, DenseNet, ResNet again, and again exception net. This kind of thing we have applied. Then we applied weighted ensemble. So we have combined many models, then we found the best one. The thing is that here, rest next x rest next, just for this is a method. Again, AC rest next, this is again another method. DenseNet, another method. ResNet, another method. Exception, this is another method. Also, noise elimination, this is a tool, or this is a technique, this is another method. So the whole thing, we will say this is methodology, but the tools, technique, algorithm, model, we will call it method. I think you are clear now. Are you clear? Please respond with me. It will be good for me to understand that whether you you are with me or not. Do you understand what is the difference between method and methodology?